Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'm going to demonstrate how to copy a database within Notion. This process is very simple and easy to follow. Start by selecting your database and then clicking on the three-dot menu icon. Among the options like delete and duplicate, you will find the choice to either duplicate with all existing content or create a fresh copy without any data. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, simply press Command+D to duplicate with content, or use Command+Shift+D to copy the database without its content. For this example, I will select the option to duplicate with content. You can see the system is now processing the duplication. Once it finishes, the new database will appear with a bracketed name. You can simply rename this file to whatever you prefer. That is all there is to it. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I will see you in the next one.